Day 3.
Day
Hindi pa kami
3.
naliligo.
Ay, nga pala, day 3 kailangan. Iba na yung ano ko.
We're still here.
Day 3
Pero hindi naman kami babaho kasi
of being stranded in this place.
in despair. Although, ayan yung previous episodes natin na nagbukas tayo ng 2 boxes. Ngayon, magbubukas na naman tayo ng isa pa.
Nakakuha kami ng from thin air.
From thin air, nakakuha tayo sa Enchanted. Sinasabi namin, we're not complaining, pero deep inside.
Deep inside, nagko-complain.
So yun ba yung trend? Nagpaganda ng magandang box? Or
Sana.
Sana.
Yun nga, kaya nga tayo nagbukas ng pangatlo, dapat 2 lang eh.
Oo nga eh.
May pangatlo.
May pangatlo.
Di bilisan na natin.
Bilisan na.
Oo.
Bilisan na. Now we got into the rhythm na.
Yeah.
We got into the rhythm.
The rhythm of the night.
The rhythm.
pop, pop.
May
Mga
kamong
commons.
bilis na.
Di kasi mga
Bilis na rin.
commons. Ika na lang kapag may mga na lang notable.
May mga notable.
Mga hindi pa napupul.
Kanya nung first episode kasi, anong first part.
I'm sorry,
Okay, that's...
I mean like this is our third.
Yeah, okay na. Oh!
Uy, sana naman. 19,
naman.
Mowgli na po.
Yay!
Ayun. Para naman sa akin. Kasi lahat sa'yo eh. Lahat para sa'yo eh.
Sa akin din yun.
Cheese!
Awa ka naman po sa akin, sir.
Okay. For rewrite history.
Maawa ka naman po sa akin, sir. Kasi lahat
Wala
ng
ka
mga cards, syempre, kailangan ko ng demona. Yung mga Black Herons are probably going to go to me.
The Black Herons. I don't use Black Herons in my field.
Sana natin tong mga to kasi ito time. Uy! Set na yung Eloni. Hindi na. Mabilis na nga talaga. Go. Speeding through this. Kasi Tito Time.
Okay.
Well, second Bogo. Usually yung katabi kasama ng Bogo maganda eh. Usually.
Super there. Exception.
Itabi natin to kasi pyesa eh. Pyesa. Ito, we don't know. Nasa likod nito okay din.
Hindi na safe.
Ubus na yung jokes din natin. Ubus na rin yung mga sinasabi natin. Basta alam ninyo, pag nakita nyo yung one surefire way to make us distracted when we play is to show ataran.
Kung deck backer nyo, lahat para.
Kung yung deck ninyo may uy,
Scoop yun.
ano na yun? Scoop na kami. Scoop na ba agad? Baka sabihin nila, sinabi niya sa podcast.
Hindi naman.
Probably, we will probably.
Itiisin namin hanggang kaya na.
Oo, hanggang kaya. Pero parang katulad siya nung movie na 4 na beses. Might have to stop. Dami na natin ito Wala pa rin tao.
Si Angry Bird.
Wala pa yung mga Lexi. Wala pa tayong more hurl these Thunderbolts. Diba dapat? More.
Another set.
More.
Meg.
Makakaset na yata tayo. And make this random boost deck. I think si Mo Shamblin uses. Umalik siya ng green-purple. Uy!
Location.
Alam mo, sabi ko sa'yo, mabubuo talaga natin yung location deck. Mabubuo talaga natin.
Location
din talaga.
Cheese!
Foil sleeve buo na talaga yung locations deck natin.
Ibang location deck to. This is the Red Steel.
Red Steel.
Amber
Ruby.
Amber Ruby.
Ashanti siya. Smash banana.
Pang-5 na yan.
Siyempre.
I actually lost count. So,
Pang-5 na nga yata ito. Lampas set na. Lampas set na po. Uy! Okay,
Set
so
na.
hindi pa, isa pa.
Isa pa.
Kulang pa ng isa
Ay,
pa.
hindi, meron pa tayong isa pa.
Isang box eh. Tas
Did you get one from the field?
Meron
Okay, so set na nga. We need another one kasi pag nagsabay, mahirap na. Ba?
Set na ba?
Ba?
Baka
Isa
di
pa?
set na.
Isa pa. I mean like, pwede na tayo. I mean like, syempre it's a good card.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a good solid card. Did we say that it's a good solid card when
Yes,
we
yeah,
review?
yeah.
Yeah, we did say it. Solid na, solid na.
Yeah,
Solid.
sakto to solid.
Yan na.
Ayan na,
Tatlo na.
mag-set na yung daisy lang mo. Di ba? Gusto mo nito?
Oh!
Di ba? Gusto mo niyan?
Oh, that's
Okay. So, may epic, may foil, tapos meron ding ready share. Yung smallest.
Oh.
Oo. Lahat na lang. Still think. Stink.
Kita stink.
Bilis. Speed.
Go.
Sobra
Paik
na naman.
siya.
Oo, paiksi episode. It's still content, di ba? We can fill it up with random facts and figures. Gusto niyo ba?
Custom
Marami
figures.
naman tayong mga pwedeng kwento kung kailangan natin magkwento.
Pwedeng
Diba?
sa post. Ano ba? Ian from the future here.
Yan from the future here. Meron tayong ano tungkol sa card na to.
Alam nyo ba?
Alam niyo ba?
Rare.
Mga rares para
Okay.
pwede na.
Good. Pang second one?
Second one. Yoink. Dami na natin ito eh.
Yeah. That's our
Dami
third
na
fourth.
natin. Third.
Webby.
Oh, di ba? Foil webby. Foil webby. May mga naghahanap niyan. Na foil. Sana ano na lang. Yung foil na ano. Enchi. I mean like again, ako can't complain. Kasi nakakuha tayo ng isa eh.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kahit papaano.
Okay na.
Kahit papaano. It would have totally sucked if we
Kung
didn't
wala
get
talaga.
kung completely wala.
Let's tell ourselves that.
It could have been better, but it could have been worse.
It could have been better, but it could have been totally worse din. Yun na lang.
Ito na.
Oh,
Speaking of,
worse.
Ay, nakatagal. Worse.
speaking of,
Worse.
Hans. Dalawa na.
it's
Pangalawa.
you! It's you!
Pangalawa na natin yun. Kita ko.
It's our second. P6. Oh, it's the horny king.
It's the horny
It's
king.
the horny king that you want.
The horny king that can sing.
Oh, again, not totally
Yeah.
so, but we'll see.
Then again, it's just the fact that he can. Oy.
24.
Mababa.
Goopy.
Bakit di na lang?
Pangatlo na natin yan.
Bakit di na lang si Mowgli? Pwede naman sana si
Pangilan
Mowgli.
na naman si Nobly? 19.
Pwede ba si Mowgli? Kasi naman eh.
Pangatlong goofy na natin.
Alam mo, dapat meron tayong parent count eh. Dapat
Okay.
meron tayong ano, parang sa lagay mo sa post, parent count. Di ba? Pang ilan na. Napapatigil talaga ako eh. How I also watched it, patigil-tigil. I mean like, I'm not saying that you don't, yan, set na din. I'm not saying that you don't watch it. I mean like, you watch it, pero for the sake na sabi mo, alam mo, di ba?
Yeah, also, apart from, Taran being a terrible character.
Karen is also a terrible card, terrible character.
And a terrible card. The Black Cauldron is actually an interesting piece of Disney history.
Mhm.
Kasi it's, again, one of those that leaned into the darker fantasy aesthetic. Pangatlong Sanatos na to.
Yep.
Darker fantasy aesthetic na which was not very typical of a Disney. Yun yun.
54.
Magical.
So magic.
Si Magica, yung nag-i-split, di ba? Eh, si Mystica pala.
Sorry, children. Sorry, children. Mga bata ba tayo nanonood dyan?
Baka
Meron,
hindi
parang
nila kilala
meron.
yun. Hindi nila kilala yun kung
Hmm.
bata.
Ngayon, sisilipin
Tito
na.
Hugo.
Ngayon, sisilipin na nila. Sisilipin na nila.
Wag yun sili. It's
Ngayon, sisilipin na nila. Dahil
at your own risk.
dahil nagkaroon ng ano eh, ng reaction eh.
At your own risk.
29.
Oo.
Oh. A horseman.
Uy,
Uy!
uy,
Napabilis ako ah.
Okay. Okay.
Ang partner ni Cinderella. Sinabi ko solid card yan, pero I
Ako-
kinda changed my mind.
It's the worst
Ever
one.
since then.
It's the worst one. Actually, konting trivia lang dito. Palagay kasi dito, each turn, only one character can challenge. It doesn't mean that it can't challenge multiple times.
But
So, kunwari, kung si Shere Khan yung nag-challenge, tapos ginamit mo yung ink para i-ready siya ulit, pwedeng challenge siya ulit.
So si Monstro is
Si Monstro,
pretty much
pwede. Ang tinitignan lang dito is yung character,
Character.
isang character lang. But again, the number of times, hindi sinabing one challenge lang.
One character.
So siguro, yun na lang yung gagawin natin na may konti tayong ruling
Yeah.
na pwedeng i-share. Nagkataon, parang our sadness is your knowledge.
Yes.
Our sadness is your knowledge. So now you know better at our expense. No?
Next.
Next.
Ngayon lang din lumabas eh.
Nandun nga lumabas eh.
Jesus.
Ay,
It's the worst one.
the worst one.
Yung Enchanted ba natin, the worst one? Hindi naman.
Eh, yung ano, di ba? Wala pa.
I would probably take Baloo over Cauldron.
Okay. Tama. May Enchanted na cold one nga.
Meron.
Okay, it's not the worst one.
Is that the worst one?
Just like yung Geek Fight team before, not last
Not
week.
last place. Ano
I'll
siya?
take it.
Worse.
Ano tapos? Grabe yun eh. May
The worst team ever.
Hindi. Parang the last place. At first place is the last place team. Sa mga hindi nila alam yun.
Yeah, no, in our previous lives, we
In our previous
yung mga trivia
lives.
nights. Mga trivia nights, yeah.
Hmm.
No, ilan yan? Wait.
Going for a second set.
Kailangan ng second. Pwede tayo magsabay-sabay.
Yung
24.
Si Goofy uli.
Jesus.
Pisado na.
Alam na eh, 24.
Wait. 19 si Mowgli, no?
19 si Mowgli. Roger. Set na natin si Goofy. Yay! Good. Think positive. Papalo yan. Pang ilan pa lang.
Marami pa. Parang pang 10.
Madami pa. There's 14 more to go.
Uy!
Bronx.
Bronx.
God. Sayang talaga yung mga pinsan ko. They went home during the showing of this.
Oh. Upping the Tyrant count.
6. I think. I'll fix it in post.
Bakit hindi na lang ano ba yung magandang Bakit hindi na lang hurl these thunderbolts yan? Di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi na benta pa natin.
Yeah. Do we need another set? No?
Oo, hindi kailangan natin. May overlap tayo.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Sure.
The Horn King.
Horn King.
Again.
Pangatlo na natin yan.
Yes, sir. Could be relevant in the next few sets.
Ako, baka
Probably
Ay,
nga.
yeah. Sword. Third sword.
Yoink.
Oh! Okay.
Hmm.
A lot may think that this is a crap rare,
Uy, di no?
but it's not.
Super great.
This is actually a very good card.
You probably only need one.
Yeah. But,
Mm.
pero look at that. For 4 cost 5/7.
Yep.
that's gonna be a problem on the board.
Bigyan mo yan ng ink runner.
Yeah. That's
Gonna one-shot all
Yeah.
those
everything.
flying stuff.
Yeah.
So at least,
Again,
are we actively defoiling?
remember, nung hindi ko, di ba remember before the seal, hindi ko kinabit yan.
Oo nga
Then
eh.
you and Juancho told me to
Oo.
put it in.
Oo.
Ayan.
Ayan. Kailangan ka talaga.
Hero.
Yung paggagawa pa lang natin ng deck, diba? Kasi
Ah.
kailangan mong ilagay yan. Hindi pwedeng hindi. It's like money.
Yeah.
Only better.
Much better.
Sana. Canted Gurgi na lang. Would have been so great. Actually, I didn't like Gurgi in the movie.
Yeah.
Pero parang,
Because he sounds like a proto Gollum.
yeah, but I mean like,
But
Over-
I know
over-
what he did.
over time, nagustuhan ko din
Yeah,
siya.
I know what he did in the end that redeemed him.
I know, parang gusto ko, I mean like, hindi naman sa may art, pero parang yung appreciation ko sa kanya tumaas. Kasi, sobrang, let's
Grabe ang takeover ng Black Hole dito sa tatlong episode.
No, I mean like, ito kasi kaya natin siya ginagawa. Kasi, dapat, as Lorcana content creators, well-rounded tayo. Alam
Oo,
natin
alam
yung mga
natin yung
pinapanood ngayon.
alam natin yung lore ng
At alam natin yung mga movies.
where it came from. And sino pa ba ang mga nakapanood noon kundi kami mga tito na who grew up in the golden age.
pero
of Disney.
kasi pinanood ko lang siya very recently.
Just
like-
to remind
like-
yourself of the pain.
like within the year.
Okay.
Thanks Disney Plus.
Okay.
Our first one. Our first one.
No, second one sa. Si
Field, meron.
You got one sa seal.
Si Hans na ako.
You got one. Kailangan din to. Again,
Oh,
Ruby,
pang-extend
the Ruby,
eh.
the Ruby.
So,
Set na.
Kasi
Foil.
nakakuha tayo dalawa eh.
Set na. Foil. Halfway there and it's not looking great. It's not looking great.
Elon,
It's not looking great.
Dawson's not bad. Evasive now. That can...
The box is not looking great.
Lexington, yay!
Okay. Ang overlap natin,
alert.
kulang pa tayo ng maybe 2 more.
Although ako hindi ako gumagamit.
It's McDuck. It's Duckburg. Duckburg.
It's like a hurricane.
Duckburg.
Here it is.
Yun lang din yung Duckburg. Wala yung Duckburg.
Oo, para sa'yo talaga.
Yay! Treehouse!
Para sa'yo talaga
Ay,
eh.
ang pangatlo na natin. Pangalawa na ata. I forgot.
Pangatlo na yan. I explicitly remembered our third.
It's a great card. Shift 4, 6-4. Tapos alert and resist. You all detectives during your turn. Challenges galore.
Na-appreciate ko lang for today.
Yes.
Dami nating content
We may not get the best hits, but we've got content.
that nobody will watch. Actually, kung papanoodin tayo, for the kwentos and the
Yeah.
lols,
For the lulz. Sana natutuwa kayo sa amin.
sana.
Sana.
Kung hindi, pakilagay po sa comments. Babanunin nyo.
Kuha ninyo.
Kuha ninyo.
Pag nag-box break kayo, play nyo din, di ba?
Oo, para
Ay, ang
para,
swerte
ay,
ko pala.
swerte ka.
Kumpara dito sa mga
Para
gunggong.
kumala sa mga,
Sa mga gunggong na to. So, ang lesson dito,
dito.
huwag kayo bumili ng case.
Lesson dito, okay, bumili ng case daw.
It's always a gamble.
Check on. Oy.
Not great, but
Nakita ko ng mga gumagamit.
Uy,
Asante sana, squash banana,
Foil.
foil. Foil.
Kasi kanina eh.
We should have stopped at the second box.
Wala na, nandito tayo. So, meron pa ba tayong fourth box?
We should have stopped at the second box.
Malay mo, humabol din.
Meron yan.
We should have stopped at the second.
Si Olaf ulit.
Gusto mo sabihin yung joke mo?
Narinig na nila nung previous episode.
Oo nga, nasabi ko na rin yung Samantha, di ba? Pwede na rin. Samantha? 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 Sobrang kulit talaga. No?
Yay, Judy House.
Wala nag-ups eh. Yan,
What?
ayan o. Partner.
Pero yung detective ko, walang steal.
Eh.
Pero okay lang. Hit me twice, fine.
Actually, shift 3. Tapos meron siya 1 drop. 5-4.
Uninkable.
Uninkable though.
I mean,
Or sealed.
Mm.
Or sealed maybe.
Kung meron ka nung Dini.
No, I think maybe whenever a detective banishes another character, it would be
Sure.
good for seal.
Detectives eh, pinag-uusapan natin eh.
it's the Zootopia pack.
Mawawakan.
Grabe ka.
This is, peak content.
Uy.
No.
Bagpipe. Ito ilalagay. Ito na lang.
Content.
Pero, sa akin yan.
Buo na deck mo, BJ.
Hindi pa. Wala
Isa
pang,
pa. Kulang ng isa pa.
wala pang Cindy.
Hindi, yung detective deck mo buo na.
Actually, kailangan din natin ng Cindy.
Nabuot siya ngayon na may Cindy pa pala yun.
Hindi. Wala. Ayan.
Kasi kompleto na yung Daisy eh. Ay, nako.
Time to go. Set na.
Dalawa pala yun.
Champion.
Can you check? Alam ko, again, alam ko this is the...
Yes.
No. Hindi siya strong. I mean, like, it's not the strongest, but I think it's a expensive one. So maybe we could check. Okay, another location. Mga kabuo talaga tayo. Mabilis. Lumabas na lang siya bigla.
Si Shere Khan. Na-feature natin sa ating FB page.
Oo nga.
Na meron mga nag-contest ng ruling, but I think we're correct in the interpretation.
Ano ba?
Hindi kasi parang sinabi nila that pag nilagyan mo siya ng resist, hindi daw ma-fulfill yung condition that deals damage. But technically it is. Kasi resist doesn't stop you from dealing damage. It reduces the damage that it's dealt. It just becomes 0. So damage is still dealt. Unlike pag yung kay Baloo Iron Boss, that says that can't be dealt damage. Yun talaga.
Yun talaga shuts
It's,
it
yeah.
out.
Kumbaga, as IT people, if there are IT people here, it's a difference between null and 0. Diba? Null is literally void.
We could double check, pero parang
Pero
seems correct kasi may replacement effect na naganap. Nating bagpipes. Pero wala pa rin tayong Little John.
Meron
Isa
ako
pa
isa.
lang. Kumpleto na yung deck, yung Little John na lang yung wala. Wag naman sana Little John, di ba? Pero it would be so funny if this was a Little John. And the next one is a Little John.
Mukhang little.
It's also a bear.
But it's the one. It would be so fun. Oh, hindi na rin ako magreklamo kapag Baloo din yung enchanted na nasa likod nito. Ilang minuto na tayo.
We are at 24 minutes.
Speed! Pati yung pag-upload natin, speed! Oh, dami nating rin nating keep Cloud Kicker at home. Please.
Recovered pay.
Ito
Pangalawa na. Pwede na din. I mean like, Again, for the, anong
The
tawag mo
location
nun,
deck.
yung location deck na
Erasure.
merong, yung Ruby Amber,
Misty
it could get Sleepy Hollow.
Sugar
Or
Rush.
ang better is yung Sugar Rush.
Sugar
Speedway
Rush,
na,
Speedway.
ano na,
Finish line.
Yep,
Fish mo for one
that would be the great,
Nakakalaban ako.
the best.
Takes it to another level. That,
Yeah, kasi parang yung deck na yun seems a little bit slow and wonky. Naubusan siya palagi ng gas, but I think this could be
Yan
a
yung
little
nagano
bit
sa
of a
akin.
boost. But
Because it makes it
we don't know kung enough siya, but definitely mas okay siya.
nakakalaban ako nun when I was testing my crap deck.
Oh no! It's the Castle of the Horny King.
Ngayon nga lang din.
Once during your turn, whenever a character quests you, you may ready choose an item. It's so great!
So great.
It doesn't even have an Orpim!
Oh, that's terrible.
It's terrible! Kahit may isa man lang sana.
Holy crap.
That's so sad.
Buns.
Buns. Buns. Buns.
Peter Pan. Mukhang
Should have stopped at 2. We got greedy.
Ayan.
We got greedy. That's the greeds. We got the greeds. Raja.
Bears.
Everything.
Oaks.
Oaks.
Snakes.
Would be snakes. Would be great for sealed. Imagine.
Oh, champion.
Okay.
Anong champion na lang din hindi ba natin ako?
I think lahat na.
Maganda yung next.
Rare.
Ano maganda yung next?
Sana pangit yun next.
Foil.
Bakit? But why would you wish that?
Baka pag maganda hindi ako madidisappoint.
Predetermined na din naman.
Predetermined din naman.
Predetermined.
Ay, actually, at this point din tayo medyo bumawi nung sa dulo di ba? Last few packs magic. But let's see if
Disney magic.
we can do the Disney magic.
Genie,
Ang dami
yay.
nating mga animals dito sa ano natin.
Well, let's see.
Zootopia din.
Oh,
Pang-
ayan na,
pang-
pang
Pang-anime.
more Lexingtons for the possible
Overlap.
overlap. Di ba? More ka. Spooky!
Yun.
Okay.
Spooky!
So, tatlo na tayo.
Yes. Oh, nako, ingat na kayo. May tatlo na kaming spooky.
We only need two.
Meron 2 sa'yo, meron 2 sa akin. Oh, spooky! Pero kulang tayo ng Cindy.
Isa pa lang.
Ito na yung next natin na scene.
Anong number?
But it's not.
Cheshire.
Pwede na. Extra Cheshire for me. wala na. Ayan na.
It's the beast.
Hindi ko sure kung meron na si someone nito. Let's check.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Pwede ka naman
Maybe
message
they
it.
have. Maybe they do not. We do not know. It's turning out to be a very crap box. We should have stopped at 2.
Could we push?
Should we push? May bukas pa ba ngayon na pwede pang pagkunan ng box? Pwede naman, di ba? One call lang, we can get another one. Roughly. Or? Can it be true? Ano ko na medyo okay. Ito, yun like, kinda sad.
Hindi nga lang.
And
We got the worst one.
Behind this, we got the worst ones.
I call.
Set na. Set na.
Holy crap, that's terrible.
It's terrible. Set na.
Uy.
It's not an inchi.
Yeah, that's it.
Horny King! Walang bibili yata nito.
Okay, we got one. Yeah, this is turning out to be a wow.
For the content no? Nanonood ba nito?
Oo.
Siguro. Wala, nag-record na tayo eh.
Ano bang gagawin natin?
Panindigan na lang natin, di ba? Pagawa na talaga tayo ng location deck, promise.
Tandaan mo, meron din content creation principle. It doesn't matter what the content is. What matters is its content.
Siguro naman may manunod sa atin dahil sa banter natin, di ba?
Siguro naman.
Siguro naman. Lagay na lang natin pag pinost natin. Masaya kami pakinggan. Pero hindi kami masaya. Pero masaya kami pakinggan. Ano, kung gusto mo ng, parang ang tawag mo dun? Yung nanonood ka to see the suffering of people.
Schadenfreude.
Yun. So, yun yung pangalan ng episode. Yun yung pangalan ng episode natin. Talagang hindi ka na.
Oh my god.
This box.
Third time is definitely not the charm.
Wow.
No! Buns.
Cheeks.
Clap. We got clap.
God.
Ilan na lang? 6?
3 more.
Oh yeah, this is hopeless.
What are the chances na sa last 3 box?
Well,
Wala.
just
Mababa.
just about as much as the rest.
Not looking good.
It ain't given.
Looking good. I mean, like, sige.
Okay, finally.
Hindi
Okay
pa din eh. Parang like overall. Ilan taran ba nakuha natin dito? Paano nakasalalay yun eh. Kung gano'ng karami yung taran na mo yung ano.
Dalawa tayo na ata.
So terrible.
Usable, playable card.
We're selling.
That's the second gazelle.
On.
Pagod na siya.
Hindi eh. Yung emotional ano ko eh.
Emotionally drained.
Goldstone.
63 Goldstone! Austin Steve! Austin Steve, save us!
Stunner Coldstone!
Wala eh. Not even Goldstone can save us.
Wala. Iyak.
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 Come on.
Come on.
Asante siya.
7-1, I think.
6. Actually, kahit yung mga uncommon, medyo ninasalan ko para kahit pa paano, di ba? Pero parang,
Wala. This is
parang-
probably the worst one. Yeah. Third time is not the charm.
so bad.
Champion.
Champion meet. Deflated ka na. Oh,
Uy.
Nakita ko yung number, di ako masaya eh.
Anong number?
Parang ako,
Baba.
Mababa, mataas.
I mean like I was, no, this will solidify that we really got the bad box.
Okay.
This will solidify.
Oh my god, it's that! Oh!
Kaya bang hulaan kung ano to?
Mababa yung number. Alam ko na.
Ikaw, alam mo na. Alam mo na, alam mo na. Alam mo na, alam mo na. Ano yung hula mo?
Black Cauldron.
Cauldron.
Ikaw, saan? Bakit na? Yay!
But this doesn't save the box.
Yeah, it doesn't say the box, but I'll take it. Wala natin.
It could have been a black hole. I thought it was a black hole, John. Yung nakita ko,
Ako din eh.
nakita ko, uy, gold, tas mababa. Sabi ko, patay tayo.
Hey, this.
Pinakaba mo ako doon. Check ah.
Kasi daming taran eh.
Okay, not bad. At least
Not
it
bad.
doesn't save the box.
It doesn't save the box,
But-
but it could have been a black hole, John.
We're at that point.
Wow, yeah, we're at that point.
Okay.
We're at that point. Last pack
Second,
magic.
that's our second day.
Last pack
Pero
magic.
hindi dito sa yung sa pre-live.
Last pack magic.
Although hindi natin nakuha sa
For the content.
for the content.
For the content.
Last pack.
Like, I mean, like, yes.
Okay,
Oh,
Thunderbolt, not bad. Let's just take the W.
oh,
You got so many L. Gabi, the title of this episode should be Buntong Hininga. That's what you can hear from us. Okay, si Kapon.
Flame Taran.
There.
Champion.
Will this save us? Probably.
Probably
not.
not.
Probably not.
Ako hindi na ako umaasa.
Probably not.
Anong number?
Medyo,
Middle?
hindi.
Mataas?
Hindi din. Mataas.
Still, Sapphire.
It's probably Steve.
Pag mataas na sa Steve. But, of course man.
Ay, nako.
At least it's so shiny.
That was so painful.
At least
Bad
it's
box.
shiny.
And that is our worst box yet. Oh, I am so disappointed. But, okay, mag-review lang tayo. Quick review. We got a Horn King na epic. Of course, still a legendary. We got the worst one. And then there's Shirkan.
Probably also bad.
The best one in the box, but it doesn't save it,
Doesn't save the box.
is Hades. And
It could have been a black cauldron.
yeah, we're glad it's not.
It could have been.
Shiny, shiny fairy godmother.
Yung epic, ano yung epic? Horny
Ito,
King.
Horn
Horny
King.
King isa na.
Horny King. So yun, that is part 3 of our box break. Kaya ba?
May box pa ba tayo? May box pa ba tayo? Sige.
Meron.
Maghanap tayo ng box. Maghanap tayo ng
Alright,
box.
that is it for part 3 of our Whispers in the
Wala,
Wild
hindi
box
natin ito
break.
kailangan. Wala tayong maganda.
Will there be a part 4? Maybe.
Maybe
we'll see.
we should have
Kung
stopped.
may
We
mabibili
should
na
have stopped.
at 2.
We should have stopped at 2.
Malay mo, sa 4th time.
I mean,
sa
like,
third
again,
time is not
pwede
good
naman
for
kasi natin sabihin na na parang kung gusto ninyo makita ng medyo masakit, di pa din ninyo. Ganun na lang. If you like seeing people
suffer.
sad and suffering, then you watch this episode.
nakikita ko yung money na wala. Hindi ko ginastos. Anyway, again, that is it for part 3. Will we have a part 4? We'll see
We will see.
next time.